Hi, what's up, guys? And I just got it just right now from the mail. So yeah, and I cannot wait to open this. And I should be getting my other jersey really soon this week. Either this is Savannah Bananas, but this is the Randy Moss jersey of the Minnesota Vikings. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it is. Hopefully this is the right one. You know, I do like Randy Moss. So we'll see what it is. Trying to keep the camera like this. It looks good so far. This is what I wanted. 84, Randy Moss, extra large. And you hear the walnuts still falling off the trees. So I'm trying to keep away from here and not hit my head on it. I've been cleaning the yard up. And I'm trying to get people to pick it up. So here we go, the Minnesota Vikings, Randy Moss. I like the purple color. Looks great. This thing looks so real too. It looks good though. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. The middle is very perfect. So yeah, Randy Moss. I mean, this stitch looks good. Look at the stitching, guys. It looks really good. Yep, this is exactly what I wanted, guys. A Randy Moss jersey of the Minnesota Vikings. And yeah, this is perfect. Smells pretty good too. So I'm still waiting on my Savannah Bananas jersey. As I said, this is perfect. Randy Moss. Not gonna lie. And I know I reacted a little bit on the Peyton Manning jersey I had for the Volunteers, and you know, it didn't work out for me. I sold it. You know, and the buyer was very happy with it. You know, I want my jerseys to be perfect. And if I see a jersey is not lined up pretty well on the name and the number, I'll have to sell it to somebody. And instead of sending it back all the way to China, which is going to cost money, so I might as well just sell it to somebody else in local who wants it. So I'm definitely not going to sell this because I like the Vikings too. Even though, you know, I got the Titans and the Vikings who never won the Super Bowl. I want to support the teams who don't win the Super Bowl. So here it is, guys. Once again, Randy Moss. And I've been praying for this guy every day since he had cancer, and he is cancer free now. No. And yet, if you remember Randy Moss, he's been with the Patriots and the Vikings a couple of times. He's been with the Titans as well, and the 49ers. And you know, he was on the Patriots his first season. Went 16-0 and lost the Super Bowl against the Giants. I mean, this is one of Tom Brady's favorite receivers he played with. I mean, he played for like what, 5 seasons or 4 years, and he went back to the Vikings and the Titans and the 49ers. And his last game was he was in the 49ers Super Bowl with Colin Kaepernick in 2012, and he was done. And he made it to the Hall of Fame. He's in the Minnesota Vikings Hall of Fame. Yeah, this jersey is 100% perfect. I love it, guys. Randy Moss. The legend is one of the best wide receivers of all time. So if anybody never heard of Randy Moss, look it up on YouTube because he's a legend. He is a legend. I mean, this guy can catch. And you know, it's like him, it's like T.O., Antonio Brown, and there's a lot of good wide receivers, even Jerry Rice. I mean, he's like, I think he's second all time behind Jerry Rice of receiving yards and also touchdown catches. So we had Minnesota Vikings. You know, they won the game yesterday against Detroit. And I know my Titans stink, but yeah. So yeah. And I like the Miami Dolphins as well. Why you got the Dan Marino jersey in there, and I got the Randy Moss jersey. I like the Vikings as well. I have a lot of respect to this team. So anyway, guys. And tomorrow, guys, I'll be streaming again this week, just 3 times this week. And the weather's going to get really cold again. I'm truly sorry. You know, I can't stream when it's very, very cold and rainy outside. You know, I just can't do it. And the night streams will have to be out for a while. And I'm truly sorry about that. So thank you guys for watching this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.